morning students. In my previous video, I explained you the equivalent fraction, that how we find the equivalent fraction and how we calculate the simplest form of a fraction. Now in this exercise, we learn what are like fraction and what are unlike fractions. Like fractions are those which have the same denominator, and unlike fractions have the different denominators. Now in question number 2, we have to convert 3 by 5, 7 by 10, 8 by 15 and 11 by 30 into like fractions. So let us start. First of all, we write these fractions 3 by 5, 7 by 10, 8 by 15 and 11 by 30. We have to given all these fractions, and these are unlike fractions because they have the different denominators. So first of all, we take the LCM of 5, 10, 15 and 30. टू से डिवाइड किया, 5 एज इट इज, 2 5 are 10, 15, then here 15, then divide by 3, 5, 5, 5 and 5. Again by 5, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Now your LCM is 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 30. अब आपका जो LCM है वो 30 आ गया है, सो वी राइट हियर 30 एलसीएम हमने यहाँ पर राइट डाउन कर दिया. अब देखिए 30 को जब हम 5 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 6 आएगा, तो यहाँ पर हमने 6 लिख दिया, यहाँ पर हमने 3 लिख दिया, यहाँ पर हमने 2 लिख दिया और यहाँ हमने 1 राइट डाउन कर दिया. तो 3 6 जा 18, 7 3 जा 21, 8 2 जा 16 और 11 1 जा 11. Now we write all the numerators. Now we have to write it separate. 18 by 30, then 21 by 30, then 16 by 30 and after that 11 by 30. Now here you see that all these fractions are having the same denominator, that is equal. So it means that our question is a convert into like fraction. Clear this one? Now we do the next question. Now in question number 4, we have to given these two fractions and we have to use correct symbol at the place of blank, greater or symbol. Now here we see that both are like fraction, and in like fraction the numerator which fraction numerator is greater, that fraction is greater. So here is 8 by 9 and here is a 5 by 9, and we know that 8 is greater than 5. So 8 by 9 is greater than 5 by 9. Clear this one? Now all the parts of question number 4, putting the symbols are like this. You have to see the numerator. Which numerator is greater? You have to put the greater than symbol at that place. Now in question number 5, this question is also same, but in this question you have to some difference, that in this your numerator are equal. Numerator equal है, denominators are different. तो यहाँ पर भी आपको यही symbols put करने हैं. So when your numerator is same, then you have to see the denominator. अब जिसका denominator smaller होगा वो नंबर आपका क्या होगा? ग्रेटर होगा. क्लियर? तो ये नंबर यहाँ पर 4 और 5 में 4 इज स्मॉलर, 4 स्मॉलर है, तो स्मॉलर वाला नंबर जो है आपका ग्रेटर होगा. और अब करके भी देख लीजिए, 4 7 जा 28, 0.7 समथिंग आएगा और 5 6 जा 30, 0.6 आएगा. Here you see that 0.7 is greater than 0.6. So now in question number 5 all parts are like this. Now we do the next question. Now in question number 6 compare the fraction. देखिए जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 और 5 था उनमें भी हमने फ्रैक्शन को कंपेयर किया था, बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू गिवन सम सीक्वेंस दैट in first part your denominators are equal and in second question number 5 your numerators are equal, but in this question there is a no any this type of fractions are given. Here numerator and denominators are different in both fractions. So what you have to do, you have to do the cross multiplication. Cross multiply किया, जब आप क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे डाउनवर्ड टू अपवर्ड 7 4 जा 28 and 5 5 जा 25. Now here you see that your 28 is greater than 25. So it means that you write 4 by 5 is greater than 5 by 7. Clear this one? Now question number 6 to 17 all these questions are equal, so you have to do all the parts yourself. Now we do the next question. Now in this question number 19 you have to given some fraction and you have to convert it into ascending order. Ascending order means first you write the smallest number, then you write the next one, then next one. Now here you see that all the fractions are unlike fraction. So first of all you take the LCM of all these fractions. इन सभी फ्रैक्शंस का आप एलसीएम लेंगे, तो आपने एलसीएम राइट डाउन किया 3 6 9 एंड 18. 2 से किया 3 2 3 जा 6 9 2 9 जा 18, देन 3 से 3 with 9 3 3, देन अगेन 1 3 into 3 into 2 दैट इज इक्वल टू 18. अब आपका यहाँ पर जो एलसीएम है वो एलसीएम 18 आ गया है. 3 6 जा 18, तो यहाँ पर 6 आ गया, 6 3 जा 18 5 आ गया, 9 2 जा 18 2 आ गया, 11 1 जा 11. अब 2 6 जा 12, 5 3 जा 15, 7 2 जा 14 एंड 11 1 जा 11. अब देखिए आपकी जो फ्रैक्शंस हैं 12 by 18, 15 by 18, 14 by 18 and 11 by 18. All these are like fraction. You have to write it into ascending order. Ascending order में आप write down करेंगे पहले सबसे छोटा, तो smaller number है 11 by 18, then 12 by 18, then 14 by 18 and after that 15 by 18. अब आपको इनकी fractions write down करनी है, तो देखिए जब आप fractions write down करेंगे 11 by 18, 12 by 18, 14 by 18 and 15 by 18. ये आपकी जो है इस असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में आपकी फ्रैक्शंस आ गई. क्लियर दिस वन? नाउ इन डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट द इनवर्स ऑफ दिस. यही इतना पार्ट आपको सेम करना है, बट डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में फर्स्ट यू राइट द बिगर नंबर. First you write 15 by 18, then 14 by 18, then 12 by 18 and after that you have to write the 11 by 18. So now ascending order questions and descending order questions both are similar, only in the last step you have to change the questions. Now we do the next question. Now in question number 28 you have to given total pages आपके 100 हैं. In 100 pages out of 100 Lalita read 30 pages and Sarita read 2 by 5 of the book. अब बुक में टोटल पेजेस थे 100, तो हमने राइट डाउन किया 2 by 5 of 100. अब 2 by 5 of 100 को हमने सॉल्व किया, ऑफ मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, सो वी राइट हियर 100, 5 2 जा 10 0. तो जो पेजेस हैं वो सरिता के पेजेस आ गए 40. अब क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है हु रीड मोर पेजेस. नाउ हियर यू सी दैट ललिता रीड 30 पेजेस एंड सरिता रीड्स 40 पेजेस. सो वी राइट हियर सरिता read more pages. and this is your answer. Clear this one? Now we do the next question. Now in question number 29, you have to given Rafiq exercised for 2 by 3 hour and Rohit exercised for 3 by 4 hour. Now you have to find that who exercised longer. Longer means ज़्यादा. किसने ज़्यादा exercise करी? So it means we have to compare the fraction. तो compare fraction करेंगे 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. When we compare the fraction, then we do the cross multiplication. Cross multiply kरी downward to upward. 4 2s are 8 and 3 3s are 9. Now here you see that 9 is greater than 8. So 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. It means that 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 3. 3 by 4 किसकी exercise है? रोहित की. So we write here Rohit exercised longer. Rohit exercised longer. Clear this one? Now this is our answer. Now in the next question, you have to given the students total strength of the students of two sections 6th A and 6th B, and also given the passing student, and you have to find that which sections give better result. कौन से section का result better आया? Now first we see the section A. In section A total student आपके 25 है और passing students 20 हैं. So first of all we write the pass fraction. Pass students फ्रैक्शन. पास स्टूडेंट की जो फ्रैक्शन है वो हमारी आ गई. जब फ्रैक्शन रेट निकालनी होती है तो पास की निकालनी, तो पास वाले स्टूडेंट और नीचे टोटल स्टूडेंट. 5 4 जा 20, 5 5 जा 25, तो ये आ गया आपका 4 by 5. क्लियर? अब आपने यहाँ पर राइट डाउन किया 30 स्टूडेंट आपके टोटल थे और पासिंग स्टूडेंट आपके 24 थे. तो पास स्टूडेंट फ्रैक्शन, पास स्टूडेंट्स फ्रैक्शन दैट इज इक्वल टू 24 by 30. 6 4 जा 25, 6 5 जा 30, तो यहां पर भी आपकी फ्रैक्शन 4 by 5 आ गई. नाउ हियर यू सी दैट योर बोथ फ्रैक्शंस 4 by 5, दोनों ही सेक्शंस की आपकी जो फ्रैक्शंस है वो इक्वल आ गई. सो यू राइट हियर both sections result is same. Result is same. Clear? Now I hope you learned all the concept of this exercise. Now thank you and have a nice day.